I just woke up and I'm so sad. Guess what Zart did again? There's a hint. He wrote us a note. I'm so sorry. Here is some cinnamon. What do you think the cinnamon's for? I'm so worried. It's Buddy! Zart cut open Buddy again. But what is this stuff? Zart, what did you do? Buddy? Oh no. He's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay. Because we have the cinnamon. Okay, let's open it up. Sprinkle it. Let's get him some cinnamon. He needs all the cinnamon he can get. Oh, poor Buddy. Comment down below if we need to punish Zart. He just has to stop doing this. It's so mean. Poor Buddy. Absorb the vitamins. Shh. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh, Buddy. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep for a little while, and hopefully whenever I get back, he's gonna be all right. Bad Zart. The cinnamon worked. I hope he absorbed all the vitamins. It worked. Buddy's all better. I'm so glad we had that cinnamon to save him. Do you think Zart's gonna start being nice? I sure hope he's gonna get better. If you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see crazy and silly things these crazy elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.